I am told that I need to apply iron on my roses in the spring when they first start to put out new foliage, as this is the only time that they will be able to utilize it. Being in North Mississippi, my roses frequently start to put out new foliage when we have periods of warmer winter temperatures such as we've had recently. Should I wait till spring to apply iron to my roses, or do I apply it now in mid-February since my roses are pushing out new baby leaves? Thank you for any advice you can offer. And this is Elaine. And Elaine is in North Mississippi. So
Yes.
what do you think about that? So we're talking about applying iron, right? What do you think about that?
I have never heard of applying iron to the roses like that, but if there's an iron deficiency that's causing her problems, she probably needs to get a soil test to see what the pH is that is causing the iron deficiency, because if the plant itself, the pH is off, the plant can't pull up the nutrients that it needs that causes it to be chlorotic.
Okay, so we're thinking soil test here.
Soil test.
Okay, and that will let us know what we need to do.
Yeah.
Right? And then something else I thought about, because I think I mentioned to you before, I have a lot of roses. I used to take care of roses, Memphis Botanic Garden, right? Usually in mid-February, early March, we would spray the foliage of the roses with lime sulfur.
Lime sulfur.
And lime sulfur, because fungal diseases.
Right.
Right. But yeah, I've never heard of spraying iron on the foliage, but yeah, we did lime sulfur. Right?
Okay.
Because again, we didn't want any black spot or anything like that, so it's mainly for, fungal disease control.
Yeah.
Okay? But yeah, just not iron. But yeah, I'm thinking soil tests, let's see what's going on there,
Yeah,
pH.
if it's constantly being chlorotic, there's got to be a reason. It's got to be something in the soil that's causing the plant to be that way.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.